making margaritas in a bar on the beach. Sells t-shirts to the tourists in a shop down the street. Makes handmade earrings and bracelets to make ends meet. She's renting an apartment on the second floor. It's an easy 5-minute ride down to the shore on that yellow bicycle that gets her back and forth. When she left Minnesota, one bag was all she packed. Came down on a round-trip ticket, but she only used half. She left behind the rain and snow for the coastline where the warm winds blow, and that emerald green water meets a sky that's always blue. Cold Corona and an old beach chair, Ray-Bans and her sun-bleached hair, and that year-round tan. She'll always have sand in her shoes. Got a picture from that first trip with her mom and her dad, in her flip-flops and her pigtails and that little straw hat. And ever since she dreamed of living in a place like that. When she graduated college, how could she have known she'd wind up in a cubicle answering phones, feeling like her whole life had been put on hold? So she left behind the rain and snow for the coastline where the warm winds blow, and that emerald green water meets a sky that's always blue. Cold Corona and an old beach chair, Ray-Bans and her sun-bleached hair, and that year-round tan. She'll always have sand in her shoes. I've heard people say that maybe someday some lucky guy is gonna sweep her away. She's fallen hard before, but never hard enough to make her ever wanna leave her one true love. She left behind the rain and snow for the coastline where the warm winds blow, and that emerald green water meets a sky that's always blue. Ray-Bans and her sun-bleached hair, and that year-round tan. She'll always have sand in her shoes. She's got a year-round tan. She'll always have sand in her shoes.